What's up guys? Now that you know about the PI, Performa Invoice, now let's go to the next step, which is CI, Commercial Invoice. If you guys missed my last video, which is about the Performa Invoice, I will put the link in the description. Please check it there. Now let's go to the CI, which is the next step, Commercial Invoice. Now you have already paid for the goods. The goods are packed, ready for shipment. Now your supplier will provide you the CI, Commercial Invoice, which you need for the shipment and why it's play a key role in your shipping process. Commercial Invoice is an official bill provided by the seller to the buyer after a sale is confirmed. A commercial invoice contains product description, quantity, unit price, total price. HS code. If you guys don't know what is HS code, how it's work, please comment down below. I will make another video to make you understand the HS code and how it's work. So let's continue. HS codes, shipping term, sellers and buyers information, country of origin. Unlike Performa Invoice, which is just a quotation, Commercial Invoice reflect the actual value and the actual details of the product. Now, why we need it? In C shipment, it will be used by your freight forwarder to make the bill of lading. I will make another video about the bill of lading. What is it, how it's work. So please subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. When I will make the video about bill of lading, you will get to know. Okay, now let's see. The commercial invoice will be used by your freight forwarder to make the bill of lading, custom authorities to calculate the tax, and the bank for the documentation. As a freight forwarder at Smart Global, we check your CI very carefully that it exactly match with your shipment and you don't face any problem when it arrives to the destination port. So stay smart and stay with Smart Global.